Let's see. Pull too quick. It's up in that grass. Got him? Sweet.
That's a good fish.
Cool. Oh, it is a good fish. 2.5. It wasn't bad. You still got him?
Yeah.
I saw your bait come up. I thought he got off. Swing him in there, buddy.
That's bigger than 2.5.
It is a good fish.
I started reeling it in, and then my line got heavy.
Yeah. He was following it, wasn't he?
Yeah, he followed it out. Saw that chartreuse tail.
There you go.
He's in the slot.
Yeah, you want to keep him and show Mama?
Yeah, as long as we throw it back.
Oh, we'll throw him back. We ain't going to keep him for any reason. We'd like to see our fish, though.
Yeah, I started reeling it in.
There's another one up there.
What?
There's another one up there.
And I started reeling my line, and it got heavy, and I felt it. Then I started to reel it in a little faster because I had it out.